So this is going to be a quick tutorial how to do the queries for Access. So this is right here. This is my relationship tab. You want to make sure that all the tables right here are correctly spelled. If for whatever reason something's off, it's going to screw you up later. So you want to make sure that's right. So you want to start off by going over here to create. And go to query design. Now we're going to start our first query. So right here it says select all transactions where vendor.code equals 1234. So you bring over the transactions. You bring over vendor. And now for this one, you're just going to select transactions with the asterisk. That basically means that it selects all transactions. And then right here, you're going to go to vendor.code. And you're just going to put 1234. Hit Command S or Control S if you're on PC. Let's call it query 1. All right, now for the second query, go back to create, query design. Now it says select all transaction elements where vendor.code equals 1234. So you go to transaction elements. You get the vendor. Now I'm 90% sure this is right. I was talking it over with the TA. I'm pretty sure the way that I did it, it's the correct way. But however, it throws me off because these two don't link up, unlike, query 1. So go right here to transaction element, select all, select the asterisk, go up here, vendor.code, 1234. Command S, query 2. Go back to create, query design. Now this one is select all transactions that have been received but not paid. So this one you're just going to use the transactions table. Expand that out a bit. And so from this one we're just basically going to grab transactions with the asterisk, received, and paid. Under received for the criteria, you want to put yes, paid, no. Command S, query 3. Then you want to go back to create, query design. Now this one is pretty much same as the first two. Select all items where item.vendor is 7654. So you bring over item. You're going to select this one with the asterisk, and then item vendor. And then you're going to put 7654 on the criteria. Command S, query 4. Create, query design again. Now this one is select all sales reps where vendor equals 3344 and last name equals whatever that is. So you're going to go to sales rep. You're going to go ahead and select the asterisk and vendor and last name. Go ahead, type in the vendor 3344, and then I guess I'm going to just copy and paste that here. When you do that, make sure that there's quotation marks floating around there as well. And then that one should be good. Yeah. Command S, query 5. Now you're going to go back to create, query design. Now you're going to select all buyers where last name equals Jackson, first name equals Kelly. So you're just going to grab the buyer table, hit that right there. Last name equals Jackson. So you can grab last name, buyer, Jackson. Make sure the quotation marks do flow around there. And then first name, Kelly. Command S, query 6, back to create. Now we're going to go here. Now this is the most complicated one, so I might get something wrong here. I have to start over, but you go ahead and select transactions. And you're also going to select sales rep and buyer. Now, because it says select all transactions, we select transactions with the asterisk. With the date, so now you're going to do date right here. And since we're going to split it up from year and month, we're going to do year, parentheses, transaction, dot date. And then you're going to do month, parentheses, transaction, dot date. In this field, you could put 2020. And since it's August, month 8. Now right here, you're going to put sales rep, name Jane. Start off putting last name. I don't think it really matters if it's first name or last name first. Then first name. Jane. And then you're going to do buyer, last name, Jane, first name, buyer, Robert. And that should be good. Oh, you got to do Command S and then query 7. So that should be good. If you see if I made any mistakes here, feel free to, comment and see where I did that wrong. You could try it out. You just test it out, put, data here and run it. I don't think it will run on query 2. I just, that one seems weird to me. And query 1 as well, that one does seem weird to me too. The rest, I'm pretty confident about. All right.